Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Guess what? We are making some Steak-Ums tonight. Yum yum. Some people refer to this as Philadelphia cheesesteak, which I normally do. So I'm gonna make it my way tonight. What I normally put on my real Philadelphia cheesesteak without cooking for someone else. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Okay. So, we got these Steak-Ums, sliced steaks. Picked them up from Walmart. This is normally what I use for my Philly cheesesteaks. We will need garlic powder. And of course, you guys, it's seasoned to your taste. You don't like these seasonings, use your own seasonings. Use whatever you desire to use on your Steak-Ums or your Philly cheesesteak. We have some buns. These are sub buns, so submarine buns type of deal. They'll work just perfectly, or you can get the longer ones if you like. So however you like to make your Steak-Umm, do it your way. We're going to use some pepper, Italian seasoning, some Celery seasoning, salt. I'm only going to use the Celery seasoning salt when I saute my vegetables, which is onions, my red peppers, and my bell peppers or green peppers. And I'm going to add the jalapeno peppers inside of the meat as it is sauteing. And we got some types of cheeses back here. We got the Mexican 4 cheese, which I used the mac and cheese the other day, and we also used the Kobe Monterey Jack and cheese. So whatever you prefer, whatever your preference is, or whatever else you want to top off your Philadelphia cheesesteak with, feel free to do that. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this pack of Steak-Ums. Go ahead and get this in the frying pan. I'm gonna go ahead and saute the vegetables, and we will be ready to get the party started. See you in a second. As you notice, the Steak-Ums are cooking good. I have them on a medium heat. Actually, I just turned the fire down because I want the vegetables to cook at the same time. I'm going to turn the vegetables up to medium. That probably will help it. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the jalapeno peppers that I have diced up. Now, if you want to use whole jalapeno peppers, that will be fine. I just basically took these out of a jar and chopped them up. They will work just fine for me and this family. If you want to use fresh ones, that's fine as well. I normally keep jalapeno peppers in the jar around here, so that's why I'm using these. Again, you can use little, less, or not at all. Jalapeno peppers just gives it a kick. I'm not going to use a whole lot, but I do want to have a little kick to it. In my previous video, you'll see that I did not add these. But I wanted to show you how I normally eat my actual Philly cheesesteak without cooking it for someone else. And actually, I would add more jalapeno peppers in here, but it's just me, you guys, for real. But for tonight's video, this is what we're doing. So I'm just going to keep stirring this until it's thoroughly done, which won't take too much longer. I'm actually waiting on the vegetables to saute down. And then we are going to go ahead and plate this up. So I will see you as soon as the vegetables are finished sauteing. Okay, so my vegetables are done. Again, I have the, was it orange or was it red? I have the orange bell peppers with the green bell peppers and the onions. I did add some more jalapeno peppers into this dish as I was sauteing it. So this is how that finished product looked. That is only going on my sandwich. And then the meat is done with the jalapeno peppers. So I have the bread I'm going to put inside of the microwave and let it get heated. And then I'm going to top this off with all the ingredients, the cheese and everything, and get the plate going, and then we'll come back to look at the finished product. And again, you can use whatever seasonings that you want on this or any type of toppings. If you don't like jalapeno peppers, you don't have to use them. If you don't like these peppers over here, you don't have to use them. If you want to use mayo, ranch, whatever you want to use on your Philadelphia cheesesteak, have at it. For real, you guys. To each his own, because I know everyone doesn't eat the same. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and come back to you and show you the finished product, okay? So I want to show you the first Steak-Umm plate that I'm making, which is for him. He has jalapeno peppers and the Steak-Umm barbecue sauce and barbecue sauce and A1 sauce at the bottom of his bread, you guys. This is the way he like his, so this is the way we're gonna do his. All right, just like that. And of course, if you want to melt your cheese, you can do that just as well. But by the time this is done, that meat is very hot, so it will be melted. So this is the finished product of number one. So this is going to be mine, you guys. I've added the vegetables along with my meat together before I actually make my sandwich. And as you see, it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to let this simmer for 1 second, and I'll come back and plate mine up. Doesn't that look good, you guys? Now this is my Philadelphia cheesesteak. Green peppers, red peppers, onions. Mayo's at the bottom with the shredded cheese. Any type of cheese that you like. I'm gonna have some Doritos with this. Is that not look delicious or not? Any day of the week you can have this, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Ring that bell next to the subscribe button so you will be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless and thanks again for watching. Y'all have a good evening. See you in the next one.